Hi, my name is Lauren Litchell, and I wanted to share some updates about what my nonprofit Humanities Nation has been up to. And today, this is my orange tree. Hold on. Go like that. I'm getting used to this technology. It's in my backyard. It's just right there. My tree is revolving. Oh, one of the things that I will show you is what we did is I worked with the ecosystem, the earth and the insects and the birds, and I'll show you the process. And we began a revival, and this was my tree accepting. And you can tell by a few things, but in this case it is the lighter green leaf. Oh, and I give them kisses. That's how it started, actually, with a warm hug. Those are the old tropism. Is the origination of free choice. Do you want to exist or not? Yeah, I need to get them a. This bee group was actually stuck in my house. I don't think it could find its hive, but I will show you. It's the one. I had to give it CPR. Let me pull up. Here's this one first. Oh dear. No. Okay. Hold on. I'm so.